Hello students, let's try to understand one problem. This is asked by the Neil. What the question is, student? They are saying calculate the lambda m naught for the calcium chloride and magnesium sulfate for the given data. Right. Ab student, here if you talked about lambda m naught means what? This naught means infinite dilution. You are going for what, student? You have to take the infinite dilution, right? Means you have added so much of water so that the ions are so much separated long distance. It means there is no attraction force between them. So if no attraction force between them means they are going to constitute, the ions will be far and they are going to constitute the individual conductivity. So student, at infinite dilution, which law you are going to apply, student? That is called Kohler's law, student. Kohlarausch, Kohler's law. Kohler's law of independent migration of ion. So according to Kohler's law, it states that the total molar conductivity at infinite dilution will be equal to sum of the individual conductivity of the ion. So student, if you are talking about CaCl2, so it is going to give student Ca2 plus 2Cl minus. So student, the conductivity will be sum of the conductivity of this and conductivity of this. So lambda m naught, student, CaCl2, what it is going to be, student? That is lambda m naught calcium 2 plus ion, student, and 2 molecule, because 2 Cl are there, 2 into lambda m naught Cl minus ion, student. These two are there. Now what we have to do, student? We have to plug the value of the calcium 2 plus ion, and this is the chlorine. So here lambda calcium, how much, student? 119 plus what are there, student? 2 into Cl, 76.3, student. So if you are solving this, student, so how much it is going to? 119 plus 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12, and 2 7 ja 14, 1 15. This is coming, student. Unit will be same, student. It is unit Simon centimeter square mole inverse, student. So if you solve this one, you add, student, so it is coming 271.6 Simon centimeter square mole inverse, student. So this is the first part of the question, student. Now they are saying for the magnesium sulfate, student. So magnesium sulfate also, if you ionize, student, mgso4, so how it is going to ionize, student? At infinite dilution, it is going to give mg2 plus and so4 2 minus, student. So they are showing lambda m naught. So how we will write, student, lambda m naught? mgso4, student, if you are writing, so it is going to give, student, lambda m naught, it is mg2 plus ion plus lambda m naught SO4 2 minus ion, because 1 ion are there, so we need not to multiply with any of the number. So Mg2 plus ion, how many are there, student? 106, student, plus sulfate ion is again 160, and unit will be Simon centimeter square mole inverse, student. So dear student, you can add these two values, student, and then you can find that this is coming 266 Simon centimeter square and mole inverse, student. So this is what is the value of the lambda m naught, student, what for mgso4. So this is all going to be our required answer, student, and this is the lambda m naught CaCl2, student. So these are the answers. Thank you so much for watching, students.